Hello, and welcome to the Graco Education Center. Now that you've unboxed your new sprayer, let's get it hooked up to your drill. Your sprayer is compatible with cordless drill drivers and impact drivers. Drill drivers are best for slower applications when more control is needed. Always run your drill driver on the drill setting and on the highest speed. Slower drills mean slower hand speed. Impact drivers are best for higher productivity applications. It's recommended that you run your impact on the highest speed setting, but some impact drills can operate at a lower speed setting. This is when practicing on some scrap cardboard can help make you feel more comfortable. Faster drills mean you can move faster. Now that you've chosen the correct drill, let's get them hooked up. Connect the chuck of your drill to the drive shaft. Place the drill on the support foot. You might need to extend the arm to fit your drill. Secure the drill to the drill support foot with the provided strap. If you have the optional detail cup or would like to operate the sprayer in gravity feed orientation, your drill installation is similar, but let's walk through it quickly. Flip the drill support 180 degrees. Connect the chuck of the drill to the drive shaft of the sprayer. Place the driver onto the drill support foot. You may need to extend the drill support arm to accommodate your drill height. Secure the drill to the drill support foot with the provided strap. Your Cordless Connect is now ready for paint. Thanks for visiting the Graco Education Center. We're always here to help.